How'd that look, Gary?
Pretty happy with that cast. I reckon we won't be waiting too long at all. A couple of minutes. I'd put the camera on the bait alarm if I was you and hear it scream. That'll make a good shot. And thank your mother for the rabbits. Yibbity yibbity, folks. They're biting a Baetong today. Hoo! This is number 11. I must be fishing in a good spot. Great bit of camera work there. You notice our man of the day, Les, he was right on the spot for this action.
You're to it, Gary.
He's in more trouble than I am, Liz. You know, mate, the longer I fish, the luckier I get. Oh, he's got slippery one. Wait. Come around again.
Oh, well done, Gary.
Yibbida, yibbida. Thank your mother for this. These fish today, they're fighting like mad. Everything must be perfect for them.